Yahoo! Prof here. We got Squeers in the back, and apparently the autofocus, it jumps straight over to him. Always. I can be full head in the frame. He'll be a little, tiny dot over there, and it picks him over me for the autofocus. No idea. Well, first off, what we've got for you guys is, would you call this a haul?
I mean, am I allowed to cuss?
Sure.
It's a fuck ton of Pokemon cards.
Okay, we have officially a fuck ton of Pokemon cards. So, here, this was Best Buy. Good luck getting cards in stores.
Good luck getting anything in stores nowadays.
Right. But if you do want boosters from Best Buy, they're one of the few places that, because I found no place else that'll sell you boosters online. All those are in stores. They'll sell you, decks and more decks. And
They probably do have them in some stores. Since every store is a distribution center.
Right. But I'm just saying, most, Target won't let you order boosters online. GameStop won't let you...
Any specific reason why?
Walmart, no boosters online.
Are they afraid of, scalpers?
I don't know.
Okay.
Best Buy, though, does sell you boosters, and they are always these individual cardboard sleeves, not the foil. And in there should be a foil one. So these guys, we have a Hamlet who wants some attention.
Yeah.
As always, guys. He's a regular on the channel.
Yeah.
Sir Hamlet Polonius.
Yeah.
He knows his name. Straight. Yeah. Oh yes, he knows his name.
He's here for the banana. Let's be real.
Yep. Catnip banana. Get one for your cats. Let me know if you need a link for it on Amazon. Highly recommended.
He's gonna eat the box.
We got 5 Breakpoint. We have Best Buy does have specific limits on specific packs, just so you guys know. So 3 Darkness Ablaze, 3 Steam Siege, and then I ordered Rebel Clash twice. Or this could be from the first one, maybe just behind.
Could be.
The first order. Because I don't order any until I get all mine in. I don't order more. I could be the dick that just goes in there and just I can order 5 in an order. Well, here's 15 orders.
Yeah.
I also don't need that much Pokemon.
Isn't this a new thing now? Pokemon?
Scrooge looks at this and is like, you don't need that much
I don't know if you need that many Pokemon cards, but you do you,
man. Next up, we have some damaged decks from Amazon.
Yeah, pretty nice.
They shipped them in this nice cardboard box here with, look at all the packaging.
Yeah.
Wait, is that none? Yeah, that's no packaging.
Packaging.
So, these are probably going to go back.
Yeah.
They're not opened or anything. But, here, for example, if you go to, and Squares could tell from the end of the bed over there. Yeah. If you look at these GameStop variants,
wasn't readily apparent, but when you take a secondary look at them.
These are not all banged up, and look, the end is still straight. So we're gonna keep these. The last one, because this is a three pack. One grass guy, one fire guy, and one water guy. Mm-hmm. The water guy should be here tomorrow, but it was Amazon, so it'll be here tomorrow.
Sometime. Might be a little beat up.
Yeah, well, it'll be a bit beat up. But GameStop did not have the water one.
Yeah.
They only had
Amazon's got
these 2.
Apparently.
Yep.
They got to lock them.
Then this is second part from GameStop here. These are the Sword and Shield Build and Battle packs. I was allowed to order 2 of these. Also with that, you could order 2 boosters. I don't remember what kind. They are obviously not here yet. Mm-hmm. But these, I saw them go in stock. Mm-hmm. I checked back in a half hour.
And they're gone?
They're gone. So I'm glad I got my 2.
Yeah.
Because I've never had this build and battle box before. Mm-hmm. And this is one that I thought that was exclusive to GameStop. Turns out Best Buy ended up having it. I think Amazon now has it. It's specifically the dual deck pack for the new Venusaur and Blastoise. These just came out, literally this week. Mm-hmm. I actually was at Walmart in Plymouth, and they had these in stock. Yeah, not the dual pack though, like individual decks.
Mm.
And I could have bought them, but I already had this on pre-order because really with Pokemon stuff, like it's hard to get. So even if you have a chance to pre-order, you're like,
yeah,
here's my money. And yes, guys, we will eventually get to the polls. Thought you want to see the haul first though, and then the last thing, this showed up on Amazon. This is Detective Pikachu. I don't even know which. Here, Detective Pikachu special case file.
Special.
You got what, 3 packs there? I see. A coin and a hollow Detective Pikachu, and I think this is like a binder. But if you look, it's a tall one. It might be. Did you see those guys up there?
Yeah.
For those big ol' cards.
Those big cards there.
Yeah. By the way, did you notice something about the big cards? They can't even make them the same size.
Don't worry about it. The ones on the left don't look like they're nearly as shiny either, but maybe it's just the angle I'm standing at. That's the angle I'm standing at. Right.
But,
The bigger
yeah.
ones look shinier.
So, here's the... I don't know, is it fuck ton of Pokemon cards?
Yeah. Metric
Metric fuck ton of Pokemon cards.
Yeah.
I need to find a box to put all this in. Just to store it away.
Give me the banana.
And the last thing, and this is what we're actually pulling today, is I stopped at, because I was out there for work, I stopped at the hobby shop and grabbed me that there, and I found the Pikachu tin. They had it, and it was a reasonable price. And then this is what I'm missing. I have the Eevee and the guy I don't remember that's a skeleton scorpion dragon thing.
Yeah.
Don't remember him. He's new. Sorry. I know Pikachu though. So I'm as good as your average mom from the 90s. Thumbs up. Pika.
That's about all I know for Pokemon.
Alright, and then I picked up the usual... I know I told you guys I would be getting those Pokeball tins. They were sold out. People were smart. They realized when XY Evolutions packs are $20 a pop, and the Pokeball tin, which includes 3 boosters, and one of which is a XY Evolutions, that's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
So those were all sold out. And then I did also manage to pick up some Vivid Voltage packs. This, I believe, is the newest set from Pokemon. I haven't had any because Best Buy, whenever I try and order them, it just doesn't let me for one reason or another. And then we have as the final thing, that is another booster from McDonald's. Stopped there on for a snack on the way home, and we got another booster to take a look at. Last time I didn't get the full unboxing experience because I was using the patented chin cam, and it didn't turn out the best. So we'll have another go at it here today.